The Ford Ranchero is experiencing a revival as a compact pickup truck, starting at an attractive price of $8,000. It emphasizes reliability and versatility, catering to everyday drivers seeking practicality. Equipped with a turbocharged engine, the Ranchero strikes a commendable balance between power and efficiency. Additionally, potential hybrid and electric variants are in the pipeline to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Meanwhile, Toyota's IMV0 is poised to shake up the market by introducing an affordable pickup that also starts at $8,000. This model challenges the rising truck price trend, focusing on practical features that meet users' everyday needs. The Toyota IMV-Z is powered by a 2L 4-cylinder engine that produces 139 horsepower. Its design prioritizes efficiency and capability over sheer performance, making it a versatile choice for a variety of tasks. An exciting aspect of the IMV-Z is its modular design, which allows for extensive customization. Owners can transform it into a mobile cafe, an off-grid camper, or even a workshop on wheels, reflecting diverse lifestyle needs. With generous cargo space and a sturdy build, the IMV-Z is well suited for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. It effectively meets the demands of daily life while maintaining solid performance capabilities. The Subaru Bratz base model comes equipped with a 2L Boxer engine, delivering 180 horsepower, which is adequate for daily driving while emphasizing efficiency. For those seeking enhanced performance, a premium variant featuring a 2.4L turbocharged engine is available. Boasting all-wheel drive, impressive ground clearance, and robust suspension, the Subaru Bratz excels in off-road conditions. This makes it a prime choice for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts who crave rugged capabilities. The Bratz's compact and agile two-door design not only enhances maneuverability but also preserves a spacious bed for transporting gear and tools, accommodating a variety of activities. In terms of performance, Mazda showcases its dedication with an engine that delivers 250 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque, positioning this truck among the top contenders in its class. Mazda's implementation of body-on-frame construction enhances the vehicle's robustness and off-road prowess, ensuring it is well equipped to handle challenging terrains and heavy loads with ease. Inside, the pickup is crafted for comfort and practicality, featuring intuitive controls and durable materials that contribute to a smooth driving experience, making long trips more enjoyable. The Montana's turbocharged engine provides 133 horsepower, making it an excellent choice for urban commuting and weekend excursions. Its fuel efficiency is particularly advantageous for cost-conscious drivers. Offering an impressive 30 cubic feet of cargo bed storage, the Montana excels in versatility, accommodating tasks ranging from home improvement projects to transporting sports equipment, bolstered by thoughtful usability features. The Montana's straightforward yet sturdy design emphasizes functionality. Its rugged aesthetic appeals to buyers in search of a reliable work vehicle, ensuring it meets users' practical needs. Prioritizing functionality, the truck's interior features easy-to-clean surfaces and a spacious layout, ensuring comfort for both drivers and passengers, particularly on extended journeys. Equipped with a 9-speed automatic transmission, the truck improves fuel efficiency while providing a seamless driving experience across diverse conditions, whether navigating city streets or highways. Starting at $88,000, the Nissan compact truck delivers outstanding value. It boasts powerful towing capabilities and a reliable build, all while avoiding unnecessary features, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers.